Welcome, welcome. My name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. I'm happy that you stopped by the channel today. Today I am cleaning up, and let's just kind of hang out a little bit. So I'm just going to clean up this kitchen. I'm gonna put these dishes in the dishwasher, and we'll just straighten up a little bit. So if you guys are wondering, I have a coffee station over there, and I have a combo, coffee carafe, and then I have a single, like a Keurig. It's a little combo, and then I have a espresso maker. But of all the coffee gadgets that I have, this one is my absolute favorite. This is a Farberware. They make the best coffee, hands down, ever. Doing a little lightweight. This is just my morning routine for just cleaning up after breakfast. So this is not a heavy or deep cleaning, because I would be putting some granite cleaner on my countertop, but this is just a lightweight clean today. We just hanging out, y'all. Guys, so that's my little, oh wait a minute, I gotta clean my table off. let me clean this table off. We all know what that is. guys, I took y'all off the camera for a minute because I did a little bit more cleaning than I needed to, because I needed to clean the top of that stovetop off. So I did a little bit more cleaning than I thought I would do. But I'm gonna give you a little spin around so you can see, you know, I'm out of breath now, I don't know why, but anyway, I'm not that out of breath, but I just wanted to give you a little spin around. Everything down here, you can see, guys, I pretty much left the same. I really like what I've done with this room. So, if I like something, I'm just going to keep it the way it is. I'm not going to keep changing it out. I turned the light on because with the windows, with the blinds open, it makes some glare, but I really like the way I styled this room. So I'm just going to rock this like it is for a while. I'm not going to spend any additional coins. It might stay like this for the rest of the summer. But this is what I've done to this room, so it will stay like this. And I got some Mother's Day gifts, a couple of Mother's Day gifts over here. But that's it, guys. That's it for today. I appreciate you watching. You guys be blessed, and I will see you in the next one.